Let me show you an easy way to see comments on X or Twitter. Comments on X are both posts in and of themselves, but also comments that are nested under an original post. Keep in mind, if you do go to one specific comment, it might have nested comments underneath that one. I'll show you how to find them. Now open up the X app on your iPhone, Android, or a computer. And if you wanted to see all of the comments for a post, you might tap on the comment button here. You can see 22,000 comments. But if I tap on that, it just says post your reply. It doesn't show me all of those comments. Now to be able to get to the comments, well, essentially what we're going to do is tap on that specific post in X. So you can see from Elon Musk, I'm going to tap on that post and you can see it brings up a screen with just this post. And now I'll be able to see all of the comments under it. You can see I can sort it by relevant or recent or the number of likes. Let's say I wanted to find the most popular one by sorting it by the number of likes. Now it will show me the ones that are most popular, and on here you can see it has 94 comments on this one that has commented on Elon's post. I can again tap on this one and scroll down and see all of the comments under that specific one as well. So again, you just need to keep tapping on them to see all of those comments.